Need to reinstall Steam without re-downloading games? I'll show a quick, reliable method. First, back up your Steam apps folder where game files live. Open File Explorer and go to your Steam folder, like C:\program files\Steam. Copy the Steam apps folder to a safe location or an external drive. Also copy user data if you want local settings and saves preserved. Then uninstall Steam from Control Panel. This removes the client but not your backed up game files. Now download the Steam installer from store.steampower.com and run it to reinstall the client. Install Steam to the same folder path you used before, matching the original location. After installation finishes, exit Steam and replace the new Steam apps and user data with your backups. Open Steam, go to Settings then Downloads, and add your game folder under Steam Library folders. Steam will verify files and show games as installed without re-downloading. Launch one to confirm. Quick checklist: backup Steam apps, reinstall client, restore folders, add library, verify. Subscribe for more tips.